What is a jollof go, daddy?
Welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to another cook with Steffi. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make simple but perfect Nigerian party jollof rice using basmati rice. Let's get right into this video, okay? Welcome back. So for this jollof rice, I'm going to be using the mixture of potato, tomatoes, pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, and habanero pepper. Yeah, if you can notice, I have more of potato here and pepper. That's just the way I do my own mixture. So I'll just go ahead now to put this mixture into the blender and blend them. So I'll be blending this thing very smoothly. Like, I'm not going to roughly blend it, I'll blend it to be very smooth. Yeah, so that's just the way I do my that's what works for me, right? So I'll just blend this smoothly and then proceed from there. So in a pot, I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil, GKA groundnut oil, generally known as groundnut oil in Nigeria. So I'll just let this thing get hot and then I'll be adding my onion. Yes, I love a lot of onion. I love adding plenty onion to my jollof rice. Don't worry, all these things is going to disappear because I don't like seeing onion in my jollof rice actually. So I'll just go ahead to add my seasoning cube, and then I'll also add curry powder to this. This is just to release more flavors. Yeah, so that's just it. I'll just still saute this for some time as well, and then I'll go ahead to add my tomato paste. So I think I'm using the Gino, is it Gino pepper? Listen, I've forgotten the name of that one. I think Gino pepper mix or something. So yeah, that's what I'm using here. I'll just go ahead to fry this for some time. I'll just let this thing fry so that all those sour taste will disappear or maybe just go out from it. So by now, looking at it, you know that everything, like the tomato paste, has fried very well. So I'll go ahead now to add my tomato mixture, happy pepper mixture. So I'll just add the pepper mixture now. I'll just stir everything together. I'll stir this and make sure everything is mixed together. Then I'll cover it and let it cook for some time. I've been still fry for some time. It's cooked because I'll reduce the gas right now. I'm going to turn down the heat very well just to let it cook perfectly instead of burning. So yeah, this is the rice I'm going to be using, the basmati rice. I'm going to be using the golden cellar. Is it tropical golden cellar? Yeah, this is the one I'm going to be using today. So I'll just be measuring out the amount I'm going to be using. Yeah, then I'm not going to parboil this. I don't parboil my rice if I'm making jollof rice. This means just trying to measure out how many cups I want to use, and then I'll go ahead to add hot water to this. It's just like I said, I don't like parboiling my rice. I'll just wash this with hot water and that's perfect for me. So back to our tomatoes. For me, this is perfectly okay. I don't like frying my tomatoes for too long for jollof rice. So I'll go ahead now to add my Maggi signature jollof rice. I don't know, is that the name? I'm going to be inserting it on the screen, and then I'll add my seasoning cube. So this is the only seasoning I'm going to be using for this jollof rice. And again, I don't like adding plenty seasonings to my jollof rice. I feel everything will just start jamming inside and it will end up tasting just different spices. So that's that's just me, and it's been working for me. So I'll go ahead to add my meat stock. This is the turkey meat stock I think I made the previous day or so. So I'll just go ahead to add it because I'm not using the protein I'm using for this. I'm grilling it, so I don't have meat stock. I have to use the meat stock for the turkey. So, and then I'll also add another seasoning because when I tested it, it wasn't okay, so I added another seasoning cube. So I'll just go ahead now to add my rice. Remember, I said I did not parboil my rice. I just washed it with hot water, and then I just left it in the hot water for like 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes or so, and then I washed it out very well, and this is how it's looking. So I'll just go ahead to add my rice. I will stir this very well just to mix up everything together. So this is me just trying to stir up everything, to mix everything together, to make sure that the rice and the stew marry each other very well. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? They will just mix. I'll mix it and make sure they marry each other very well, and make sure they are so much in love with each other. Don't mind me. So I'll just go ahead to add my other rice. I'm just trying to mix it bit by bit so that everything is going to mix perfectly. So yeah, you just go ahead to mix this perfectly. I will just mix and mix and mix, just like I said before. So they will both be in love together. Yeah, so after mixing this thing very well, like after stirring and mixing both the stew and the rice very well, I'll just go ahead to add more water to this, just a little more water. Then I will cover this and let it cook. So after about 5 to 7 minutes or even less, I'll come back and lift this. This is just to help the rice cook evenly. I'm just trying to like take the rice at the top to the down, and then the one at the down up, meaning that the one down has already cooked well, so the one up should cook as well. This is just to help it cook evenly, nothing much. You just lift it so it won't just start burning like that, meanwhile your rice is not properly cooked or maybe evenly cooked. Yeah, so I'll just do this. Then after doing this is the time I'm going to be using foil to cover my rice. So this foil is just to help trap in heat inside. Now there's no water in the rice. This will just help cook the rice evenly. Like I'll just turn down the heat to be very low now, so it will slowly cook like on a very low heat. Yeah, so it will just help it cook evenly, and then the foil will just help trap in heat inside instead of adding more water and having soggy rice. So you just use the foil to do that. So yeah, after some time I'm going to be opening this, and this is what our rice is looking like. So this time some people will actually add onion, tomatoes, sliced tomatoes and butter to this, but me, I don't like adding onion and slice tomatoes to this because I don't like my rice having all those things inside at the end. I like my jollof rice very clean and neat like this, and I don't have butter at home, so I didn't add butter. So I'll just cover it to just burn a little, now, to give it that Nigeria party jollof rice taste. You know what I mean by that? Yeah, so this is our simple but perfect Nigerian party jollof rice using basmati rice. Yeah, so this came out so yummy. And then I actually served this with honey barbecue chicken wings. This is so yummy. I'm going to be posting the recipe of this honey barbecue chicken wings. I said chicken wings soon, okay? So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, okay? Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave a comment in the comment section, and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.